Where have Mr. Lee been? Where Mr. Lee have been? When they took my phone, it crippled me. It's not a boat ride. It's like them name Ice. Make me one phone call, well handcuffed, you know. Van when you're driving a cool, you handcuff like a terrorist. Smoke my little weed. You see me I say? Everything cool. The 3 charges that I have, a lot of marijuana. Because some people tell us, oh, you can't go seal a record. A lot of immigration lawyers doesn't tell us these things. Tears in my eye, and my mother can't touch Bobo. Saying, aggravated, I never hit nobody. You can't tell me I can't touch my son, and she grabbed me and kissed me. I made 2 phone calls. $50 was done. People I pass with, I take picture with looking all shackled up. You feel like suicide or where you feel like they check your temperature overnight. You big heavy guns. I mean like you're real terrorists, man. You remember those old bus seat at Jamaica, tough seat them. When I use the bathroom, I'm walking with this guy hooked to me. Say, yo, Mr. Moody, I need a letter. Standing around the plane like this with big guns. So what you have to eat what they give you. Then hope the judge crash when him come at work. You pray for what you want, and the minute you finish praying, you say thank you. So big up to Miss Patchin, Jano, VP Records. Yo, even the Bible move the way me heart a beat hard. You hear me, family? I was calling my lawyers telling them what's new. So them know me I'm a fool. Yo, my lawyer laugh. While I was in the courthouse waiting for me my time to go up in front of the judge, that case that passed the same day, Mr. Howell. Mr. Howell, now tell me if I not got that. First of all, that's the first thing I must say, give thanks to the Almighty Father himself, because he's the one that made it possible. And second, I must say to my family, you know, utmost thanks, and especially my mother,